Welcome to the world of dispatching, a critical and fast-paced profession in the transportation industry. In this training course, we will provide you with an overview of the dispatching profession, the importance of dispatching in the transportation industry, and the goals of the training course. You will learn about the responsibilities of a dispatcher, including planning and coordinating transportation routes, communicating with drivers and other dispatchers, and monitoring and responding to emergency situations. You will understand the daily tasks that a dispatcher has to handle and how it impacts the transportation industry. The importance of dispatching in ensuring the safety, efficiency, and timely delivery of goods and services. The role of a dispatcher is vital to the transportation industry, and this training course will help you understand how you can contribute to the industry. Our curriculum is structured to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the profession, and our experienced instructors will guide you every step of the way. Our training course is designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to become a successful dispatcher. We'll cover everything from dispatch software and technology, to route planning and optimization, to communication skills and emergency response procedures. By the end of this training, you'll be prepared to take on entry-level positions in the transportation industry. In addition to learning the technical aspects of dispatching, you'll also have the opportunity to gain hands-on experience through simulations and real-world scenarios. Our experienced instructors will guide you through the process, and you'll have the opportunity to ask questions and get feedback on your progress. The demand for skilled dispatchers is growing, and by completing our training course, you'll be well on your way to a rewarding career in the transportation industry. In addition to the comprehensive training we provide, we also offer support and resources even after the completion of the program. We provide job placement assistance, mentorship programs, and continuing education opportunities to ensure that our graduates are well equipped to excel in their roles as dispatchers. With our support, you'll have the tools and resources you need to succeed in this competitive industry. Our graduates are working in various dispatching positions in the transportation industry, coordinating the movement of goods and people and ensuring the safety of drivers. They are the ones who keep the transportation industry moving and keep the economy going. So, if you're ready to take the first healthy step to a fulfilling career in dispatching, sign up for our training course today. We'll be with you every step of the way, and together we'll make sure you're prepared for a successful career in the transportation industry. In the fast-paced world of dispatching, route planning and optimization is key to ensuring the safety of drivers and passengers and the efficiency of the transportation process. Dispatchers use a variety of tools, such as mapping software and GPS tracking systems, to plan routes that minimize travel time and distance while also taking into account traffic patterns, weather conditions, and other factors. They learn how to reroute vehicles quickly and efficiently, how to communicate effectively with drivers and other dispatchers, and how to make decisions in high-stress situations. In addition to planning efficient routes, dispatchers must also be able to handle unexpected events that may occur during the dispatch process, such as traffic jams, accidents, and other unforeseen delays. Dispatchers also use traffic and weather data to plan routes that avoid delays and ensure the safety of drivers and passengers. Route planning and optimization is a crucial aspect of dispatching, and with the right training, you too can excel in this critical role. They will also learn about cell phone etiquette, such as how to speak clearly, how to address different individuals, and how to use proper terminology. They will learn how to communicate effectively with drivers, other dispatchers, and other members of the transportation team using a variety of communication methods, including phone and email. In our training course, students will learn about the regulations and procedures related to safety in the transportation industry. Students will also learn how to implement emergency response plans, how to communicate effectively with drivers and other dispatchers, and how to make quick and effective decisions in high-stress situations. They will also learn how to communicate with emergency services, such as 911, and how to provide them with the information they need to respond effectively to an emergency situation. With our comprehensive training course, students will gain the skills and knowledge necessary to ensure the safety of drivers and passengers, and to respond effectively in case of an emergency. In the fast-paced world of dispatching, real-world experience is key to success. Students will engage in a variety of problem-solving exercises designed to simulate real-world challenges and scenarios. These exercises will provide students with an opportunity to apply the skills and knowledge they have acquired throughout the program and to develop their problem-solving skills. In addition to learning about regulations, students will also learn about the compliance requirements for dispatching. They will learn how to implement regulations and procedures in their daily work, and how to maintain accurate records. They will also learn about the importance of compliance to avoid penalties and protect the company and drivers from legal issues. Students will also learn about the penalties for non-compliance with regulations, including fines, penalties, and other sanctions. They will learn about the importance of compliance to avoid penalties and protect the company and drivers from legal issues. With our comprehensive training course, students will gain the knowledge and understanding of regulations necessary to succeed in the world of dispatching. In the world of dispatching, practical, real-world experience is key to success. Through job shadowing, students will observe and learn from dispatchers as they perform their duties in a real-world setting. This will give students a chance to see firsthand the day-to-day responsibilities of a dispatcher and to ask questions and get advice from experienced professionals. In addition to job shadowing, students will be matched with experienced dispatchers who will act as mentors throughout the program. Students will have the opportunity to meet with their mentors regularly to discuss their progress and to receive feedback, guidance, and advice. The training course also provides assistance with job placement and career development. With our comprehensive training course, students will gain the real-world experience and professional support they need to excel in the field of dispatching. Thank you for watching and considering our program. We look forward to helping you achieve your career goals in the transportation industry.